Hello everyone, welcome to Geeky Nerd. Today we will begin the fourth part of the aptitude topic ages. Before proceeding further, I hope that everyone would have learnt and practiced the problems related to the previous videos thoroughly. We will continue to discuss few other scenarios as we had dealt in part 2 and part 3 videos. If you had not seen them, please click on the card or the links in the bio. It is recommended to learn the previous videos thoroughly and start this video. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more interesting concepts and shortcut methods for solving them. So without wasting any time, let us solve more examples and understand this concept thoroughly through this video. Rajan got married 8 years ago. His present age is 6 by 5 times his age at the time of his marriage. Rajan's sister was 10 years younger to him at the time of his marriage. The age of Rajan's sister is. So from the question, we will get that let x be Rajan's age. So this is present age of Rajan. It has been given that his present age is 6 by 5 times at the age of his marriage. So, Rajan's age at marriage is equivalent to x minus 8. Since it has been given in the question that he got married 8 years ago. Therefore, it is giving that his present age is equal to 6 by 5 times of age at marriage. X is equal to 6 by 5 times of x minus 8, which in turn implies 5x is equal to 6x minus 48. Therefore, x is equal to 48. So, present age of Rajan is equal to 48 years. They want to find the age of Rajan's sister. It has been given in the question that Rajan's sister was 10 years younger to him at the time of his marriage. So we know that the age gap or the age interval between two people does not change irrespective of either past or future or present. If Rajan's sister was 10 years younger to him at the time of his marriage, even at the present situation, Rajan's sister will be 10 years younger to them. Therefore, we can easily say that present age of Rajan's sister is equal to 48 minus 10, which is equal to 38 years. Therefore, from the question, we have identified the age of Rajan's sister. It had been given in the question that at the time of marriage, Rajan's present age is equal to 6 by 5 times his age at marriage. Therefore, x is equal to 6 by 5 of x minus 8 because his marriage happened 8 years ago. We found his present age as 48. It was given in the question that Rajan's sister's age was 10 times lesser, was 10 lesser than him during his marriage. If her sister was 10 years younger to him at the time of marriage, till death, his sister will always be 10 years younger than her brother. By using this relative concept, we found that present age of Rajan's sister is equal to 48 minus 10, that is 38 years. Let us solve one more question. The average age of a family of 5 members is 24. If the present age of the youngest member is 8 years, find the average age of the family at the time of the birth of youngest member. So it is given in the question that number of family members present, that is at the present, is equal to 5 and average is equal to 24. So if you had listened to the average videos, we would know that average is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations, which will give, we don't know the sum, but we know the number of observation as 5. Therefore, 24 equal to sum by 5. Therefore, sum of ages is equal to 120. So, in the question, we want to find average age of family when younger one was born. Therefore, we need to know some of the observations at the time of younger one and the number of observations at the time of younger one. So, when the younger one was born, number of observation will reduce to 4, younger one not considered. Younger one is not considered, and sum of the ages will be 120 minus 8. Since the age of the youngest member is 8, we can remove 8 from the overall sum of the ages we found in the above step, which will give sum of the ages of 4 members. Therefore, average is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation. So here we failed to notice that if we are backtracking 8 years, then 8 years should be backtracked for all the other 4 members in the family. Therefore, this equation has to be continued to be rewritten as 120 minus 5 times of 8, which will give me 80. That is, we are cancelling the younger one. Therefore, it becomes 112 and we need to trace back 8 years of each family member. So there are 4 family members. So 8, another 32 will be subtracted. Therefore 120 minus 40 will give us 80. Now we know that average is equal to sum of the observation 80 divided by number of observation 4, which is equivalent to 20. So it is very critical for us to understand that when we are eliminating one observation and if we are going back to n years, then those n years should be subtracted from the available observations also. So when we subtract those 8 years from each member, we get the sum of observation as 80, and when we divide it by 4, we get the average as 20 years. As a continuation of the previous videos, we solved and understood how the fundamental concept of ages can be applied across various scenarios. We solve problems via both the shortcut and the traditional methods. We can choose any method to solve them depending upon the convenience. I insist all the listeners to practice solving more and more problems so that they can increase the speed of solving. Like, share, and subscribe the channel and also convey it to your friends such that they can be benefited. Until we meet in the next video, thank you.